This cheeseburger salad bowl has all the flavors of a juicy cheeseburger, like seasoned beef, cheddar cheese, crispy lettuce, juicy tomatoes, and a delicious burger sauce. It's a fresh and low-carb salad that is perfect for lunch, dinner, or meal prep. To get all the recipe details, you can visit sweetysalado.com/en. We begin by prepping all the ingredients that go into the salad, starting with the lettuce. And my favorite types of lettuce are usually romaine, green leaf, or red leaf, and it's mainly because they hold all the toppings and the burger sauce really well. Another fresh ingredient that we're going to add to the salad are the tomatoes. And I love using either cherry tomatoes or grape tomatoes that I cut in half. Now you don't have to use small tomatoes for this salad, you can use your favorite type of tomatoes. Another burger topping that we're going to add to the salad is red onion, which you can serve either sliced or chopped. And if you want, you can soak it in cold water for a few minutes to remove that strong flavor of the onion. To cook the beef, we're going to add a little bit of oil to a large skillet or pan, and we're going to cook the lean ground beef over medium-high heat until it's brown and fully cooked. For flavor, we're going to add our favorite seasonings, and I love using oregano, onion powder, garlic powder, and paprika. And of course, we're going to season with salt and black pepper to taste. While the beef is cooking, we're going to make that delicious burger sauce dressing. And to make it, we're going to start by adding mayo to make it super creamy. You can use your favorite type of mayo. I love using regular mayonnaise for this recipe. We're also going to be adding ketchup, yellow mustard, maple syrup for sweetness. You can also add honey, white sugar, or brown sugar, pickle juice or vinegar to give it that tangy flavor, sweet relish for flavor and texture, and we're going to season it with onion powder, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. We're going to mix it really well, and then we're just going to set it aside. To assemble the salad bowls, we're going to start by making a bed of lettuce. Then we add the tomatoes. If you want, you can add more toppings like sliced pickles or pickle chips. We add the red onion. And since we're making cheeseburger salad bowls, we're also going to be adding shredded cheddar cheese. And finally, we're going to add the cooked ground beef. And right before serving, we're going to drizzle each bowl with that amazing burger sauce salad dressing. And in less than 20 minutes, you can make this delicious, fresh, low-carb cheeseburger salad bowl.